The future of American artificial intelligence, AI, cars is shaping up to be an extraordinary blend of cutting-edge technology and futuristic design. At the heart of this evolution is AI's ability to revolutionize safety, efficiency, and convenience in vehicles. AI-powered cars can process real-time data from an array of sensors, cameras, and radars, enabling them to make split-second decisions that reduce accidents and improve road safety. Features like adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, and lane-keeping assistance are already paving the way for safer driving experiences. One of the most exciting advancements is in autonomous driving technology. AI systems, equipped with machine learning algorithms and computer vision, allow vehicles to navigate roads independently. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and GM are spearheading this effort, testing vehicles capable of driving themselves in complex urban environments. These cars can identify objects, predict traffic behavior, and adapt to changing road conditions, all without human input. The ultimate goal is full autonomy, where cars can handle any situation, making commuting stress-free and efficient. In addition to autonomous capabilities, AI is redefining the way drivers interact with their vehicles. Intelligent voice assistants powered by natural language processing enable hands-free control of navigation, music, and climate settings. The system learns a driver's preferences over time, offering a highly personalized driving experience. Imagine your car automatically adjusting the seat position, temperature, and playlist based on your habits, creating a seamless and intuitive environment. AI is also transforming vehicle maintenance and performance. Smart diagnostic systems monitor the car's components and predict potential issues before they become serious. For instance, the AI might notify you of a degrading battery or worn-out brake pads and even schedule a service appointment for you. This predictive maintenance ensures vehicles remain in peak condition, reducing downtime and unexpected repairs. Electric vehicles, EVs, are another area where AI is making a significant impact. Advanced energy management systems optimize battery usage and charging, extending range and reducing energy consumption. AI-driven navigation can suggest the most energy-efficient routes and guide drivers to nearby charging stations, ensuring a smooth journey. As more American manufacturers embrace EVs, AI will play a crucial role in enhancing their performance and adoption. AI cars are also becoming key players in the development of smart cities. These vehicles can communicate with infrastructure like traffic lights and road signs to optimize traffic flow and reduce congestion. For example, AI cars might adjust their speed to match synchronized traffic signals or reroute based on real-time traffic data. This level of connectivity not only improves individual journeys but also contributes to a more efficient and sustainable urban environment. Security is a top priority for AI-powered cars. As vehicles become more connected, the risk of cyber attacks increases. To combat this, automakers are incorporating advanced cybersecurity measures, including encryption and anomaly detection systems. AI can monitor for unusual activity and take immediate action, such as locking the vehicle or alerting authorities, ensuring both the car and its occupants remain safe. The design of these AI-powered cars reflects their futuristic nature. Sleek, aerodynamic shapes, advanced lighting systems, and minimalist interiors emphasize both functionality and aesthetics. Inside, large touchscreen displays and augmented reality dashboards provide drivers with essential information in an engaging and user-friendly way. The integration of AI into American cars is not just about improving transportation, it's about reimagining the entire driving experience. From autonomous capabilities to personalized interactions and enhanced safety features, AI is setting the stage for a new era of mobility. As these technologies continue to evolve, the line between science fiction and reality is becoming increasingly blurred, promising a future where cars are smarter, safer, and more connected than ever before. American advanced technology is